Hi, I'm Dark Matter, and this is my Draw My Life. You may not know me, but I make up most of the universe. Normal matter, which you are most familiar with, is made up of baryonic particles. In other words, this is the matter that is visible. However, this matter makes up less than 5% of the universe. The rest is made up of dark energy, which comprises about 70%, and me, who comprises about 25%. I was created after the Big Bang, 14 billion years ago, and formed most of the matter in the cosmos. Astronomers are sure that I exist because I exert gravitational forces on the matter we can see. My origins have been traced down to the 1600s by Isaac Newton when he proposed the theory of universal gravity. Soon enough, astronomers researched the existence of forces that have gravitational effects on objects such as planets and stars but do not emit light. In the 1700s, Pierre Laplace said some objects might be big enough to trap light that they emit. He believed that they must be composed of a strange type of matter, me. These objects were later found to be black holes. In 1880, Urbain Le Verrier and John Couch Adams predicted the presence of Neptune by using gravitational anomalies. They measured the difference between the observed accelerations of a planet's reaction to gravity to values predicted from a model. Again, they observed strange gravitational effects on objects in the universe during their observations. Despite the hard work of many scientists before this, most people believe that I was founded in 1933. Fritz Zwicky, a Bulgarian Swiss American, was the first astronomer to officially conclude that I existed in 1933. By applying Newton's laws and measuring the speeds of individual galaxies within a cluster of galaxies, Zwicky could deduce the mass of the cluster. He determined the amount of visible matter in the clusters by measuring the brightness of the galaxies that form them. These two measurements concluded that a typical giant cluster of galaxies comprises at least 10 times more invisible matter than what is visible. He concluded that each galaxy has enormous amounts of dark matter, way more than all the luminous stuff in the galaxy stars. In simpler terms, I make up more of the universe than you might think. In addition, two astronomers at the Carnegie Institution of Washington, D.C., Vera S. Rubin and W. Kent Ford Jr., mapped the motions of stars within galaxies close to our own Milky Way. During their discoveries, they observed strange gravitational effects on objects in the universe, which could be explained by me, dark matter. Researchers also found evidence of my existence through the concept of gravitational lensing. During normal lensing, light rays bend using refraction and focus light somewhere else, such as eyeglasses, which use this concept to allow you to see clearer. Gravitational lensing, however, occurs when a large mass bends light as a result of its gravitational field. These rays go through the field and therefore must bend and refocus somewhere else. This can be shown when a large mass is placed between an observer and a distant galaxy. The light rays that pass through are then bent, and the large mass that causes this is surrounded by me, dark matter. The bigger the object, the stronger the gravitational field and the greater the bend of light. Gravitational lensing is proven by optical illusions in the galaxies. For example, it causes the formation of multiple images when light rays diverge then are focused together. Astrophysicists can estimate the total amount of matter from the effects of the gravitational lensing and the distribution of the cosmic background radiation. Scientists have actually come up with many reasons for my existence, even though they can't seem to find me. For example, scientists believe that I have gravitational effects on galaxies and galaxy clusters. In detail, it is believed that at an edge of a galaxy, objects should spin slower than those at the galactic center where a galaxy's visible matter is concentrated. However, observations show that stars orbit at the same speed no matter where they are in the galactic disk, due to effects of dark matter around the galaxy. I could also help to explain optical illusions seen in the universe. Rings and arcs are often seen in pictures of galaxies. In general, galactic images are often distorted for reasons previously mentioned, such as gravitational lensing. Now, many scientists have come up with hypotheses about my existence. For example, some scientists believe that dark matter consists of exotic particles that don't interact with normal matter or light, but that still exert a gravitational pull. Tests and projects are being done by large scientific groups like CERN to investigate dark matter, where they try to generate dark matter particles. Others believe that there are multiple forms of gravity, and I am a form of gravity different to what we have current knowledge of. Another hypothesis is that I am an illusion caused by gravitational interactions between particles of matter and antimatter. CERN, a European organization for nuclear research, have a theory based on gravitational polarization of the quantum vacuum, where they try to explain this concept. A quantum vacuum is empty space made up of virtual particles, such as antiparticles. A scientist by the name of Haj Dukovic currently investigates what would happen if virtual matter and virtual antimatter were not only electrical opposites, but also gravitational opposites. This would explain the existence of me. Lastly, a few scientists even believe that I am not a gravitational force, rather a form of electromagnetism. They believe that I am made out of a type of basic particle called the Majorana fermion. The particle's existence was predicted in the 1930s, but has stubbornly resisted detection. Sounds a lot like me. Today, unfortunately, people are still not sure about what I am or why I exist, but maybe soon enough they'll find out. Thanks for watching my Draw My Life video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow all of my social medias.